Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disable video download on TikTok application. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone, and we're gonna open our TikTok profile. So we can tap on this profile button, and we're gonna open the settings on TikTok. So we can tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of our screen and select settings and privacy, and here we can select privacy, and on this privacy we have to scroll down until we find the downloads option, this one. Okay, and here you can disable your video downloads. You just need to click on this toggle button to turn it off. Okay, and after you disable this feature, other people cannot download your video. Alright guys, and that's how we can disable video download on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.